The topic is residential status and incidence of company, presented by Akshata, MCom Final, MPM Government First Grade College, Karkala. Every type of company, irrespective of private limited, listed or unlisted, have to determine or check their residential status. Corporate tax or company tax. Corporation tax is a tax imposed on the net income of the company. Companies, both private and public, which are registered in India under the Companies Act 1956 are liable to pay corporate tax. Corporate taxation refers to taxation levied or imposed on companies. Huge number of revenue to the government come from these corporate sources. The income tax paid by the individual taxpayer is the personal income tax. Individual gets taxed on the basis of tax slabs at different rates. But the income paid by domestic companies and foreign companies on their income in India is corporate income tax. The corporate income tax is at a specified rate as prescribed by the Income Tax Act. Definition of a company. Company as per section 2 subsection 17. Company means any Indian company means a company situated in India. Any body corporate incorporated by or under the laws of a country outside India. It means a corporation situated in a foreign country or outside India. Any institution, association or body which was assessed as a company for any assessment year under the Income Tax Act 1922 or was assessed under this act as a company for any assessment year commencing on or before 1/4/1970. Any company which is assessed as company on or before the date of 1/4/1970 is called as company. Any institution, association or body, whether incorporated or not and whether Indian or non-Indian, which is declared by a general or special order of CBDT to be a company. CBDT means Central Board of Direct Tax. If Central Board of Direct Tax declared any Indian or non-Indian company as a company on general or special order, then those companies are termed as company. Residential status of a company under section 6 subsection 3. Determination of the total income of a company depends upon its residential status during the relevant previous year. The residential status of the company is determined either on the basis of its incorporation or on the basis of control and management of its affairs. Tax incidence of an individual or a company is depends on its residential status. On the basis of residential status of the company, the total income taxable on that relevant previous year is determined. The residential status is determined on the basis of the place where the company is registered or where its control and management affair is taking place. On the basis of residential status, companies can be classified into two categories: resident companies, non-resident companies. Resident company means a company which is situated in India or resides in India. Non-resident company means which is situated outside India or incorporated outside India. Resident company under section 6 subsection 3. A company is said to be resident in India in any previous year if it is an Indian company. It means if the company is belong to India or incorporated in India, or during the relevant previous year the control and management of its affairs is situated wholly in India. If during the previous year its control and management affair is situated fully in India, it is considered as a resident of India. If any of the one if any one of these two conditions is satisfied, then the company is said to be resident. Observation: an Indian company is always a resident company for income tax purpose even if the control and management of its affairs is situated outside India. If a company is incorporated in India but head office is in America, which is a foreign country, in this case the company is said to be resident as it is an Indian company. A non-Indian company or a foreign company will be treated as a resident of India for any previous year only if the entire control and management of affairs of such company during the relevant previous year is situated in India. If a company is incorporated in Bangladesh but has head office in Kolkata, it is considered as resident company because though it is incorporated outside India, but its control and management is wholly situated in India, so it is considered as resident of India. Non-resident company under section 2 subsection 30. A company will be a non-resident in India any previous year if it is not an Indian company. It means if a company is a foreign company or situated in foreign country and its place of effective management in that year is not in India. If its place of effective management is outside India, then it is considered as a non-resident company of India. Place of effective management. Place of effective management is an internationally recognized test for determination of residence of a company incorporated in a foreign jurisdiction. Any determination of the place of effective management will depend upon the facts and circumstances of a given case. An entity may have more than one place of management, but it can have only one place of effective management at any point of time. Since residence is to be determined for each year, place of effective management will also be required to be determined on year to year basis. The process of determination of place of effective management would be primarily based on the fact as to whether or not the company is engaged in active business outside India. It means a foreign company whose control and management is situated wholly or partially outside India will be a non-resident company. If its control and management is situated wholly in India, then it is considered as a resident of India. For example, if an American company holds 8 meetings in India out of 12 meetings held during the previous year, such company will be non-resident for income tax purpose for such previous year. The place of effective management is determined each year because the residential status of company is determined each year. Incident of tax for company. If a company is resident of India and and it if it earn its income in India, then it is taxable in India. If a company is non-resident of India and earns Indian income, then it is taxable in India. If a company is resident in India and earn its income from foreign country, then also it is taxable in India. But if a company is non-resident to India and it also earns its income in foreign country, then such companies are not taxable in India. Thank you.